Hello, here in this video I want to show you how to pair a Bluetooth camera with DJI RS 4 Pro. And to do this, first you will need to click or actually swipe from the top of your screen on the DJI display, then click on the camera with the Bluetooth sign next to it. And here it says enable Bluetooth on camera, view camera compatibility list on DJI running app. And I've tried looking inside the app for that camera list, but I haven't actually found anything about it. So you just need to try pairing your camera. Now you will need to grab the camera that you have and activate Bluetooth on it. Honestly, there's no point at showing you how to do that because each camera will have different options for Bluetooth, and you should be able to find it somewhere in the settings. Usually they have like a wrench icon on that camera to locate the Bluetooth settings. Then enable it and see if the camera shows up right here after you click on confirm. If not, that means it's not compatible with your DJI RS 4 Pro. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.